Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can roll back to Nvidia older version or older driver version. So we can do that in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us go to our device manager options. Let me just close this one and make a right click here in your Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Now, once you do that, you will see here the display adapters options. Let me just expand this one. Click on display adapters. And once you do that, you can also click this arrow here to expand for the graphics card that you're using. So here you will see whether you're using Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. So I have here AMD, and if in your case you are using Nvidia, then it will also appear here. So please click on your graphic card driver and then make a right click on that and then click on this properties option here. Once you do that, you will see another window coming up. So here we have the general tab, the driver tab, details, events, and resources. So just please click on the driver tab and you will see the driver date of your driver. Okay, so if in your case it's the latest and you want to roll it back, then you can also click this rollback driver button here. But in my case, I can't do that because this is grayed out. So if in your case you have, you can do or you can click this option, so please do so. And if you can't, then just go directly to update driver options here and please select the second option, browse my computer for drivers. Once you do that, you will appear this window will appear and just click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you will see all the driver updates or driver versions that you have in your device, and just click one by one or choose one by one, and whichever works for you, then just install it. So please just like this one, so click on that, click on next, and it will be installed in your device, and then make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's working. So if it's not, then go back to this window and then proceed with the next one and do the same process until you try each and every one or each and every one of these drivers here. Okay, so please don't forget to just make a quick restart in each of the driver here. Okay, so if you want also to roll back or see in the internet the available drive version, you can also do such by bearing in mind here your graphics name card and then go to your favorite browser. You can have Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and here you need to type, for example, if you have Nvidia, so please click on or please type Nvidia graphics driver. Now once you do that, please make sure that you click on the search result from the website itself, and then please go to the, you can manually search the driver and then just click on the categories here. Once you do that, you can also once you're done doing that, you can click on this find button here, and then you will see all the options of the drivers according to your preference or according to the categories that you have chosen, and you will also see if it's latest with this release dates here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.